Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, we will set up Ubuntu Server and WireGuard VPN with you. If you're ready, let's begin. We open our browser and search by typing Ubuntu Server. Click on the first result and enter the Ubuntu Server page. Then download it by clicking the download button. After the download is complete, we search for Rufus in the search field. Click on the first result and download the Rufus program. We insert an empty USB flash drive into our computer, then open Rufus, select the Ubuntu Server ISO file we downloaded, click the Start button, and write it to the USB flash drive. We insert the USB stick into the computer where you will perform the installation. Turn on the computer, select the USB stick from the boot menu, and when this screen appears, press Enter while the top option is selected to proceed with the installation steps. We make a language selection and continue with Enter. At this stage, you can use the Tab key and arrow keys on your keyboard to switch between options. We select the keyboard language and then proceed to the next screen. We are assigning a static IP address to our server. We are passing the proxy screen. We proceed when the text Reading Package Lists appears at this stage. Here we are on the disk partitioning screen. I'm leaving it as is and moving to the next stage. Here we see a summary of the changes you've made, and we proceed by confirming. We are setting username, server name, and password. Create a complex password for a real-world scenario. We are passing this stage. We select the Install OpenSSH Server option using the spacebar on the keyboard and proceed to the next stage. We are waiting until the Reboot Now option appears at the bottom. We select Reboot Now and press the Enter key. Then we remove the USB stick and press the Enter key again. Thus, we have completed the installation phase. Now we wait for it to boot up. Our server has successfully started. Now we run the command prompt by typing cmd into the Run section from our Windows computer. Type SSH, leave a space, add our username and @ then the server IP address and press enter. For the warning that appears, type yes and press enter again. We type our password and press the enter key, and we connected to our server. First, we are updating our server. You can find all the commands written at this stage in the video's description. Now we are installing Docker. Now we are creating a folder and pulling the necessary file from the website into the folder we created. We open the downloaded file and delete its entire content. We paste the code I provided in the explanations, save, and exit. We are now running the container we created. WireGuard VPN setup is complete. Now, type the server IP address and connection port into your internet browser's address bar to access the interface. At this stage, we are performing the initial configuration and proceeding by selecting the language. We are creating a username and password for logging into the web interface. This is important. We continue with the No option. We wait for the application to find your IP address, make the selection, and click the Change button. Congratulations, all installation stages are complete. Now we are entering the interface. We are creating a new connection. You can add the profile with a QR code from the WireGuard application you installed for Android and iOS devices, or you can download the profile and add it to the computer application to use it. In the Allowed IPs section of the admin panel, you can grant access to machines with specific IP addresses or to your entire network if you wish. Thank you for watching. If you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, you can support me. See you in the next video.